Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can fix the wrong time zone in a Windows 10 computer. So you have the Windows 10 installed as your operating system in a Windows 10 computer, and your Windows 10 computer is showing the wrong time and date because of the time zone it is set to. The settings is not correct. You want to correct the settings but you can't figure out how you can do it. Pause this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to fix the wrong time zone in a Windows 10 computer in very easy way. It's a very simple process, so you need to follow some simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you have to do in order to fix the wrong time zone in a Windows 10 computer is boot your computer. When you land on your desktop, what you want to do is simply right click on the time and date shown in the taskbar. Then from the list, what you want to do is simply tap on the adjust date and time option. Once you do that, you'll be straight taken to the settings of the time and date in your Windows 10 computer. Now here, as you can see, you'll see an option labeled as time zone, and here you'll see that your time zone is not correct. So what you want to do is tap on this list, go ahead and select the right time zone for your computer, select the time zone you live in, then automatically your time zone will be changed and your computer will show you the correct time and date, and you will successfully fix the wrong time zone error in your Windows 10 computer. Those were the simple steps in order to fix the wrong time zone in your Windows 10 computer. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.